How to turn on or turn off background app refreshed on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. So first let's go back to the home screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, make sure you go all the way back to your settings page. Then scroll down and tap on general. Next, we then scroll down and tap on background app refreshed. Then tap on background app refresh. At the top here, tap on off to turn off, and you can see everything else is now disabled. If you switch it on, you can choose Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. And then go back and you can see all of these apps will be enabled. And from here, you can choose to turn on or turn off background app refresh for each of the individual apps. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.